All right, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. All right, once again, thank you very much for stopping by my channel and checking out my videos. At this moment here, I just want to show you guys the importance of setting up the limit sell. So as you can see on my screen right now, this is a graph of what the market was for the past 24 hours, which is last night, yesterday, last night, and this morning. So if you look back at a couple of my videos that I make, maybe last week, early last week, I make up around 2 videos, and I explain to you guys that Shiba will go up to around 1180 and turn back. And that's exactly what happened. It went up right to 1180 right there and go right back down. Um, and guys, I've been watching it. I've been following it. I can figure it out a little bit right now. I don't 100%, but 60% I understand how the market works. I'm not gonna say I know everything about it. I just know a little bit. So I'm gonna tell you what I know, and then you add it to what you know, and then becomes a better person. Okay. So now, at this moment here, if we look at Shiba on the hour, it is down by 0.44%. It keeps changing, so that's why it's kind of hard for me to say. But on the day, it is down. It is up actually by 3.4%, which is good. And also on the week, it is up by 8.66%, which is great. Anything going up is good. All right, but on the month, it is still down. It is in red by 3.7%. So if you buy a month ago, you're still losing. Sad, right? But if you buy within 2 weeks ago, you're gaining, because it went all the way down right here to. Let me try to get to it. My phone is going a little bit slow. So if we go all the way back right here, you see went down to a 9 right over here, and beginning around October 30 was down to 9. So if you buy in October 13, so if you buy back in October 13, today you'll be in profit. Definitely be in profit. It doesn't matter how it look right now, you would be still in profit because it went up all the way up. So last night was the night when you were supposed to make some profit based on where you buy, if you buy within the last 2 weeks. But this is what happened. Let's go back to it. Let's look at it on a day. What time did this happen last night? This happened at 1:40 a.m. So if you live in if you're in the East Coast, Eastern Standard Time, you may miss this because if you're tired, man, you're not gonna be up at 1:40 looking at crypto to catch it right when it hit the highest peak. That's the reason why I keep telling you guys the most important thing to do is to set up a limit sell. So you could set a limit sell to sell it last night if it hit 12. As you can see, according to Coinbase, it went to 12. So when it went to 12 last night at 1:40, it would automatically sell it for you while you're sleeping. So this morning when you wake up, if you sell 50%, or if you sell 75%, or if you sell the whole thing, it would be in your account. Now, you sell last night at 1:40, and today at 7:15 it went back down to 11. What you could do, you could use your principal and buy again and do something with your profit that you make when it went up last night. So that's how you have to play the game. You can't be holding on and think it's going to go all the way and keep going. It's not going to work like that. So right now you go back in with your principal. Saying for instance you invest 1,000, and it went up to you invest 1,000 when it was down at 9, and it went all the way up to 12. You make a good profit, so you can get out even if it was $150. You get out, and now you can put back the 1,000 again, and you do something with that 150. You can take that 150 and do something else. Some people, 150 is not a lot, but remember, you didn't do much to make this 150. All you have to do is set a limit sell. Buy, set a limit sell, collect the profit. So you could be doing your regular stuff that you normally do, but you're making an extra 150. You know how much people have to work long hours just to make $150? If you can be sleeping and making a $150 every week or every other week, it adds up, guy. So this is the reason why I say that some people are waiting for millions and thousands and to make a whole bunch of money at once. This is not the market for the millions and the thousands as yet. This is still a bear market. Yesterday we get a baby bull run. Just a little run, to remind us that it's still there. But you could make money, small money that can help you out in the meantime, because you still have to eat. So you could make a little money by setting up your limit sell. Whenever you see the baby bull market, you set a limit sell. Set it. Always set it, because you never know when this thing is going to make a big jump, and then boom, it gone right back down. By the time you get there, it went back down. When I wake up this morning at around 5 o'clock, around 5:30, somewhere there, and take a look, this is where it was. So I lose. To be honest with you, I definitely lose. I didn't set up any limit sell because I wasn't ready to sell yet. But if I was trying to sell, I would have lose. As you can see, this portfolio is a demo portfolio. I'm just using this to show you guys how to do it and what to do before it's too late. Because if you wait too late and try to do this, guys, you're gonna lose a lot of thousands of dollars. You have to set your limit sell. Have a number that you want to be at, that you would like to sell at in your head, and put it in. And whatever happened, if you see it going crazy, like the bull market is really raging, and you think, you know what, you can change your limit. You can say, okay, sell 50% at this amount, and then sell another 50% at this amount. So you can change it around. You can set 5 limit sell. You don't have to sell everything in one limit sell. So limit sell is not that you have to sell everything. You can customize it. You can say 25% here, 25 here, 25 there, and you keep doing it like that. Or you can say 25 here and 100 here, and then you keep doing it like that, going up the ladder. So this is what I really want to talk about, guys. Last night was a night where you could make some money. If you did make some money last night, comment, let me know. If you haven't, and you don't know how to do the limit sell, take a look at my next video. I got a video that show you how to do limit sell. And the next thing that I want you to do is comment and let me know what platform you are buying and your coins, so we can help you to show you how to do your limit and your limit sell and your limit buy on that platform. Once again, thank you much for watching this video, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something, we would appreciate if you hit the subscription button and make sure that you're subscribed so you stay up to date with our great contents that we bring out. If you want to make money, you have to stay up to date, guys. Thank you very much.